Hello guys, today we will be solving one of the most asked interview DP questions, edit distance. Let us see what the problems ask is. We have two strings and we have to convert string 1 to string 2 by performing a set of operations, and we have to find the minimum number of operations. Insert a character, delete a character and replace a character. Let us understand this with a classic example. To build the recursive approach, let us build the intuition. At each step, when we are traveling on the string, we assume we travel from the back of the string. We have three choices: either insert a character, that means we insert a character that we require to match string 2, that means we increase the length of string 1 and we traverse on the remaining part of string 2. Either we delete a character, that means string 1's length is decreased, and at third choice we replace a character to matching character of string 2, that means we move forward with the remaining characters. But we are also having one more option. If both the characters match, we move forward the remaining length of the string and calculate the minimum steps. And moving forward, we also need to identify the base cases. The base cases, if word 1 gets exhausted, we have to add the remaining characters of word 2, that means the remaining length of the word 2 will be added. And if we exhaust all the characters of word 2, we have to return the remaining characters of the string 1 to delete it. The recursive code looks like this, and to convert this into a DP code, we will be using memoization. That means we will be reducing the number of steps that we repeatedly calculate. Technique intuition tells us we do not need to calculate the values at each step. Every call is uniquely identified and we spot the repeated work in the calling of the function. And if we see, we have called minimum steps 1, 1 2 times from the function called 2, 2 and 1, 2. That is, we are increasing our work, and to decrease it, we can store these answers in an array. The array will be 2D because it depends on two variables, I and j, the length of string 1 and string 2. The DP code would look like this. The time complexity decreases to O of m cross n, where m and n are the size of DP. Space complexity also decreases because it is for the DP table. For more such interesting questions, join the DP bootcamp by scanning the QR below.